Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Earth of Knowledge. In this video we will see the shortcut keys of Turbo C++. Now we have already created a video a year ago, so this is a new version with some improvements. So let's start the video. The shortcut keys of the Turbo C++. Turbo C++ is very useful to write C programming language, and many beginners prefer Turbo C++ to write the C programming language. But sometimes in Turbo C++ mouse does not work properly, so we have to learn the shortcut keys for this software. And also shortcut keys can improve our productivity. So first of all, to open the file we have to press F3 key. Now it will open the window where we can open the file by writing the name. So I will open this file hello.c. Now if you want to see this code in the full screen mode, then you can press F5 key, so it will turn on the full screen mode. And if you want to shrink the window, then you can again press F5, so you can toggle between full screen mode and small windows. Now suppose we make some changes in this file. Now to save this change, you can press F2. By pressing F2, you can save the file. So yes, we want to save the file and overwrite the existing file. So we press enter. Now to compile this code, we can press Alt F9 key. So by pressing Alt F9 key, it will compile the code, and here we have one error. So let's solve this error. Now we save our code by pressing F2. Yes. Now if we compile our program, so there is no error. Now if you want to run your program, then you can press Ctrl F9 key. So it will run your program, and this is our output. Now to exit from the output screen, you can press enter key, so it will exit from the output screen and back to your normal code window. Now if you want to cut the program, you can press shift plus delete, and you can select the lines using shift plus arrow keys. So by pressing shift arrow keys, you can select the lines, and to cut the code we use shift plus delete key, and to paste again we will use shift plus insert key, so it will paste our code again. Now if you want to copy this code, then we will press Ctrl plus insert key, so it will copy your code. Now let's paste it here. So to paste the code we will use shift plus insert key. So as you can see, the code is pasted. Now if you want to undo the code, then you can press Alt backspace to undo the code, and to redo the code you can press shift Alt backspace. So by shift Alt backspace you can redo the code. Now if you want to minimize this window, so to minimize the window you can press the Windows D key, so it will minimize your window. And now if you want to maximize this window, so you cannot maximize this window by clicking the maximize button because it is disabled. So to maximize this window, we can press Alt plus enter key, so it will maximize our window. Now let's open the another program. Now you can see that we have two programs here. So if you want to toggle between the two or more programs, so we can do this by pressing F6 key. So by clicking F6 key, you can toggle between the windows. Suppose this is our first window, this is second window, and this is third window, which was the message one. Now if you want to close the existing window, then you can press Alt F3. Suppose I want to close the message window, so I will press Alt F3 key, so it will close our existing window. Now if I want to close the Practical 4 window, so I will press Alt F3, so it will close the window. Now suppose you want to see the list of the all programs, so you can press Alt plus 0 key, so it will show you the list of all program. And here in hello.c we have star near the name of program, so you can see that it is opened and other programs are closed. Now sometimes you will notice that mouse click does not work properly, so to fix this bug you can press Alt enter key, and here the first option is selected Repaint Desktop, then click enter key, so it will solve the problem. Now mouse works properly. Now suppose if you want to open these menus like file, edit, search, run, compile, so to open this menu we have the same method for all the menus. We have to press Alt key plus initial letters of the menu. Suppose I want to open the file menu, so I can open the file menu using Alt F key, so it will open my file menu. Now you can toggle between these menus using arrow keys. Now if you want to open search menu, so you can do this by pressing Alt plus S, so you can open the menu by this way. Now if you want to exit the program, so you can press Alt plus X key to exit the program. And here it is asking about to save the work, so yes, we will press Y or enter key, so it will exit our program. So that's it for today's videos, guys. If you like this video, then subscribe our channel for new videos, and don't forget to share with your friends so they can also get benefits from this video, and like our video, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.